In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Klaviyo account. Whether you're moving on from the platform or simply looking for a fresh start, I'll guide you through the process step by step so that you can achieve this with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Klaviyo homepage. This is your launchpad to accessing all things Klaviyo. Once you're there, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen, where you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon serves as your personal entranceway to everything related to your account settings. After clicking your profile icon, you should see an option for Settings. Clicking on Settings will take you to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now, within the Settings page, look for an option labeled Billing. This might not be what you typically associate with account deletions, but trust me, it's necessary to move forward. Once in the Billing section, you're going to look for something specific, a link or button that says Close and Delete Account. This is the part where you begin the official process of deleting your account. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your intentions because at this point, Klaviyo wants to ensure that you truly mean business. Next comes a short survey. You'll need to select a reason for why you're choosing to delete your account. It can help Klaviyo understand user needs more comprehensively, so take a moment to pick an option that aligns with your situation. If your reason isn't on their list, don't worry. There's a box available for you to type in a specific reason for leaving if you wish to share any additional details. Once you've specified your reason, it's time to move on by clicking the Continue button. This will take you to the final stages of the account deletion process. Make sure you're confident in your decision because once you move past this point, recovering your account might be difficult, if not impossible. And there you have it. With those steps complete, you've successfully begun the process of closing and deleting your Klaviyo account. Take a moment to reflect, make sure this is what you want, and once confirmed, your request will be processed by Klaviyo. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more of our resources to get the answers you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides like this. Until next time.